Hi everyone, welcome to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we will cook one of my absolute favorites, chicken wing and chicken foot pot. This dish is bursting with flavors and is the ultimate comfort food that will have you reaching for extra bowls of rice. Trust me, once you try, you won't be able to stop. For this dish, we are working with chicken wings and chicken feet. Our supporting cast includes sweet corn, potatoes, and carrots. And the magic comes from our savory sauce. We will do it later. We will also add aromatic spices like bay leaves, cinnamon, Sichuan peppercorns, star onions, ginger, and spring onions to bring it all together. Start by scouring the chicken wings with shallow cuts. This helps them soak up all the flavors. Next, clip the nails from the chicken feet. Then turn on the heat. Place both the wings and the feet into a wok of cold water, along with some ginger, spring onion, and a splash of cooking wine to neutralize any odors. Once the water starts boiling, you will notice a frothy layer of impurities forming on the surface. Skimming that off carefully. Then take out the chicken feet and wings and set them aside. Now let's prepare the vegetables. Cut the potatoes and carrots into chunky pieces. And cut the corn into bite-sized sections. This will add a sweet, hearty texture to our dish. Now let's make a sauce. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons each of oyster sauce, soy sauce, Korean chili paste, and sweet bean sauce, a pinch of chicken powder, pepper, and white sugar. Stir it well, and it's ready to infuse our dish with bold flavor. Put it aside. Heat up some oil in the wok. And toss in the spices. And add a tablespoon of doubanjiang and stir fry until you see the gorgeous red oil developing. Now add your pressed chicken wings and feet and stir them around until they are evenly coated with the vibrant color. Pour in our custom sauce mix. Stir it all together until every piece is well coated. Now you can add your vegetables to the wok and stir fry until everything is evenly combined. and pour in the water to just cover all the ingredients. Once the entire pot is boiling, lower the heat and let it simmer for 45 minutes. 45 minutes simmer is just a guideline. Cook until the sauce has reduced nicely, and be careful not to let all the liquid evaporate. Alright, let's see how our chicken wing and the chicken foot pot turned out. Wow, look at this! The chicken is so tender and the rich savory sauce really ties everything together. The flavors are just explosive. This dish is seriously down-home comfort food that's perfect with a big bowl of rice. For those who might be hesitant about to try chicken feet, I promise this dish will change your mind. I could easily finish 2 big bowls of rice with this dish on the side. Drop your comment and let me know how many bowls of rice did you end up eating with this dish. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and join me for more Chinese dishes. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.